It went down in my kitchen tonight. I didn't eat all day. I was hangry. Do ya hear me? Hungry and anxious. So I made vegan chili rotel. And here's how it goes. Avocado oil, green chilies, diced tomatoes, cilantro, can of vegan chili with beans, butter lettuce or whatever lettuce you have, bell pepper, onion, taco seasoning, vegan mozzarella, nutritional yeast, impossible ground meat, slap yo mama seasoning.
Close the door.
I want that ground impossible to get that chili flavor. I wouldn't do this with real meat. Add cilantro to the mix while it cooks.
Mm-hmm. Where we're going? Mm-hmm.
The vegan mozzarella gives it that cheese consistency. Adding the nutritional yeast gives it the flavor of cheddar. These are organic corn tortilla chips. They hold their crunch long. This was bomb. Try it for yourself.